morning, everyone. Well, it's a very cold day this morning. I hope your car started and that you're able to get to work and not affected too much by it. Not a whole lot going on in the world today, so I figured I'd talk about Stats Canada. I don't know if you knew this, but if you wanted to know how your business stacks up against other businesses in Canada on an average basis, you can actually access that information on the Stats Canada website. I use this when I'm comparing the company that I'm currently working on to see how their labor stacks up to their revenue, to see how their advertising, rent, all that kind of stuff stacks up to what they actually earn and what the averages actually are. And if you didn't know, that information is gathered in a couple of different ways. It's gathered from the tax returns that are submitted. That's why you have to put an industry code on your tax return so they know what industry to apply your information to. And the other way that they get their information is by forcing people to submit it. And yes, that is a thing, and it is a law that you must do. I haven't gone so far as to figure out what the penalties are for that, but I do a payroll Stats Canada report for my landscaping company, Four Seasons Property Care, each month. It doesn't take me long because I have all the information there and everything's organized and I have memorized reports, but it takes about 5 minutes. But it's still a pain to have to do something that is not done, that not every business is required to do. So that's how they get their information. And if you're wondering about how your business stacks up against other businesses in Canada, go ahead and check out the Stats Canada website. Maybe we can put a link in the description below and save you guys a little bit of time. Okay, take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your friends, and be well.